Menteri rang ba Jylla u Konrad ki sangma hakashtarik yayong ula ong baka Sorkar Jylla kala shimkya ban Iakren bat ka Sorkar Pdeng halor ka jingmi jungi jing pyrshah ban ruai ya ka jingrwai Vande Mataram hai ki jingalang ni ki program Sorkar kata haba pensyai ru baka ni ka rukom bala jule kadai ka babut renti ya ka hukum bala penmi da ka Sorkar India. Ha ka jing shisha kani ka dei ka mat ka bala mi ha ki por ka bala dam. Ngila dab ru banyak keren ya kani Henry ka dei ka hukum ka bala don lupa ka bala wan na ka Sorkar India bat ka dei ka hukum ka ba ong ba man laki khep ba ulat udon de ban ruai ka jing ruai Vande Mataram bat ya kani la le ha ki ri baro ka wei ong ukon rat.
Yes, in fact, this was an issue that has come up in the past. We have also discussed this. But it's a standing order that has come from Government of India. And it is an order that has said that whenever governor is present, it will be played. And as I said, it's been implemented throughout the country. There is, of course, a lot of debate about it. It's definitely a matter that we are also taking up with Government of India to see how we can address this particular issue that is in front of us.